Darren and Nicole here.
Coming at you from Maui, Hawaii, here at our house.
And in this vlog number 6, we're actually going to show you guys in detail what we do with the trash after it's collected from the beach and the reef cleanups you've been watching in all the previous vlogs. So stay tuned and enjoy.
This is where we do our resin artwork. Our little space.
Here's where we keep all the silicone moldings. These are all the different things that you can stuff with ghost nets and debris and pour the resin epoxy over.
And here is all the debris we've found at all of our cleanups, especially the beach cleanups. We put this all into the resin artwork.
And there's like 2 or 3 more full trash cans in the front yard. We just kind of pick the most colorful at first, so the resin art comes out extra lit.
We're making a lot today, so we have 2 full cartons of these things. So I just got this one in the mail. Super excited about it. It's brass knuckles, shaped as different types of animals, or like their paws. Look how cute. Everyone loves our brass knuckles, so we've been trying to find cooler shapes and designs.
These are the ones I'm gonna do right now. We're gonna try to make most of them for you guys so you can see the full variety, but this is actually for making like a hexagon shaped pot for, you know, if you want a toothbrush holder or whatever it could be. Pretty useful. This is a cool little family sign that you can actually stuff because you can see it's kind of deep. And then a welcome sign, which we want to try to get all our homies hooked up with these, have them in front of their houses out here.
Just trying to see what we have. We have so much.
We kind of went crazy on Amazon Prime ordering these resin molds.
We just got so excited because it's just such a cool way of like reusing, you know, trash into art, and it's so cool. Like, look at this.
Yeah, still working on that one. That's the license plate frame. This is the first prototype, so next one should come out a little smoother. This one's actually one of my favorites right now. It's like a soap dispenser mold. As you can see, you can stuff so much ghost net and just pour the resin over and actually use this. You know, go to a refillable store, like there's one in Wailuku right now, rooted in Wailuku. You can get filled up with natural hand soap and use our ghost net soap dispensers. So these are the molds we're gonna use today. This one's like a little plate, so curious to see how that one comes out. So the first step of what we do once we kind of organize and figure out what molds we want to choose is actually go through all this debris that we picked out and get a selection of different colors, some blues, oranges, yellows, blacks. Got to really trim at them with these big lawnmower clippers, and yeah, we just find ones that we think can fit into the mold and we could still pour resin over it, and you know, that way this doesn't end up in a landfill for hundreds of years or break down into microplastics. It becomes something, you know, that people can talk about, tell a story and spread awareness and actually use in their homes. So the second step, after you've really pulled out what colors you want to use in your resin art, which the epoxy is clear, so it's all transparent. The colors really do make the art stand out. You just start chopping it up in little pieces and just fitting it into the silicone moldings, fitting it along these little edges. You just kind of stuff it through, and that's what becomes the molding. You pour the resin over and then you peel it off, and it's just hardened and encased inside of epoxy for eternity. at least with this step, because now we have to let it cure for 24 to 48 hours. And then we will unveil it for you guys and show you all these pieces that we have just made on camera.
See you guys.
Got the neighbor pit bull over here making some runs. Oh!
Alrighty, you guys, it has been 24 hours already, and we're ready to take these suckers out.
One other product that we make that we didn't in this video, but I want to show you guys the end result, are actually these magnetic alphabet molds. They make these different letters, which we can make whatever letters we want. Spell protect, aloha. Right here I got my friend's food truck, Pisca Maui. Got FXTE. You gotta make some more E's, but you know, you can really make whatever you want with the magnets and the letters. So you know, the potential is endless with the resin art. It's cool because we're upcycling all this trash and preventing it from entering landfills or becoming microplastics.